Hello friends, the winter is coming now and so the winter vegetables. I am planning to grow a few potatoes where the season starts anywhere from September 15th onwards and should continue till October end. You can try and sow potatoes, not very difficult to sow them. I'll show you I have few potatoes from my kitchen. Now these potatoes have already started sprouting. I'll be using them as a seed and using these two pots. Here you can see I've just made them ready with potting soil. So how I'm doing it, I'll let you know. First and foremost thing, you must know that if you have a passion, go for it. You may not succeed in one go, but keep trying. I am also trying it for the first time, so trying to share it with you. I have a strong feeling a person who succeeds in first time may not have as much as knowledge as a person who has tasted failures few times. So let's start. From here I will start to see them closely. I can grow from here 4 to 5 different plants. As you can see from this potato, this is germinated from few places. So if you wish, you can use all of them as an individual, or you can cut a potato in such a way that you can have two plants together. So just see, I will cut it this particular part. This becomes one where I can have few. One from here, and then cut this one to have another one. So I have got these many from one plant. I'll try and make as much as possible from others too. This one I'll leave it as it is. And this I will make only one. This I'll make only one. I'll make two out of it. So I consider for these two pots, these are more than enough. These pots are about 9 inch by 9 inch. So I'll try and put 2 to 3 seeds in this. And as we grow, as the time passes, I'll keep you updating how they are growing. Okay, this I have got potting mix ready with little bit of moisture in it. I've got a layer of about 2.5 inches in this. I'll place these potatoes. Here I'll go about it. These three. I hope to get 3 plants out of it, and I'll cover them with approximately 1.5 inch of layer of soil. And every day we'll keep them moist. Okay, this one is ready. So we'll start with second one. Okay, here goes the second one, and this I've got a layer of about 4 inches, so I'll just dig it inside and place them inside. One. Another one I'll place here, 2, and the third one in this area. I hope they will not disappoint me. So these 2 pots are ready. Okay, I'll just wash them. Little bit. That's it. Now they should start growing within a week. And as I'll show you here, these are my old plants. These 2 are potato. Now this is the similar pot like what it was. As the plants start sprouting and growing, keep adding soil. You must add a soil up to 8 to 9 inches. That is the place where the potatoes will grow. Now in this one also it is growing slowly, small. You can see I've got 5-6 plants. This is 2 feet by 1 feet pot. So I keep adding as they are growing. I'll keep adding. I'll add the soil up to this layer. In this is a 12 inch. This is 9 inch. And I hope to get something out of them after about 120 days. Normal potato crops takes about 120 days. That's 4 months. So if you sow them in September, say around 15th of September, your harvesting will be ready by 15th of Jan. But this varies from variety to variety. Few varieties take 110 days, which generally farmers would like to grow. Otherwise, it also goes up to 140 days. How you will know that the crop is ready? After a span of about 110-115 days, you will find your plants will start to dry up. That means when the potato plant is drying up, you are ready to harvest your potatoes. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आशा करता हूँ ये हमारा छोटा सा प्रयास आपको इस बात के लिए इनकरेज करेगा कि क्यों ना हम भी अपनी छोटी सी बगिया बनाएं और उसकी एक एक पत्ती या एक एक सब्जी का फूल या मूली जो निकलेगी उसमें अपना स्नेह और परिश्रम मिक्स होगा और उतना ही आनंद आएगा खाने में खुद को और पूरी फैमिली को। अगर आपको मेरा ये छोटा सा प्रयास पसंद आया हो तो आप हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और घंटी ज़रूर बजाइए ताकि मेरे नेक्स्ट प्रयास आप तक पहुंचते रहें। और अगर 4-5 लोग भी इससे मोटिवेट हों तो मैं समझूंगा कि मेरा आप लोगों के साथ अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना कामयाब हुआ। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।